Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will be talking about what is blooming in your life. As we know, today is a full moon and it is also known as the flower moon. So, full moon or this flower moon is very auspicious when it comes to manifestation and what is coming in your life if you've been thinking of attracting certain things. So, with the help of the Moonology cards, I'll tell you that what you should be listening to or focusing on more. And I'll also use the tarot cards for you. These are my tarot cards. So, you'll get guidance from the full moon card, the tarot cards, and also the divine sacred cards. These are very powerful cards and one of my favorite. And also today I have got the new Kali deck, which I'm very excited to read the messages from. So if you want to know what is blooming in your life, what is coming for you, what you should be releasing today, and what you should do to speed up your manifestations, then listen to this video. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the Kali messages. What is the Kali message for you? Kali Ma, please give us message for the full moon, that is the flower moon. In this flower moon, what message do my YouTube viewers need to know? What messages does my YouTube viewers need to know in this full moon? Wow. You see this? Bagla Mukti. The first card that has come for you is the Bagla Mukti. I will tell you what it means, but it's so powerful. It is talking about so much power. There is so much power within you. You have to pray to Baglamukhi Ma to protect you from all evils, any kind of negative energies, or right. And bottom of the deck is Vishwamata. So you should pray to Baglamukhi Ma to protect your energy. You're also being asked to pray to Hanumanji and connect with his energy for your wish fulfillments. And tomorrow is also a very big Mangalwar. तो आपको ये बोला जा रहा है कि आप बगलामुखी माँ के साथ कनेक्ट कीजिए और कनेक्ट करने के लिए इट्स वेरी इजी. यू जस्ट हैव टू सरेंडर योर सेल्फ टू माँ एंड टेल हर टू प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम ऑल इविल एनर्जीज, ऑल नेगेटिव एनर्जीज. और आपके अंदर का जो वॉरियर है उस वॉरियर को आपको चैनल करने की ज़रूरत है सो दैट यू कैन ब्लॉसम एज अ फ्लावर. फॉर यू टू कैन यू सी द फ्लावर इन बगलामुखी साइड. इस फ्लावर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए यू नीड स्ट्रेंथ. शांति को कायम रखने के लिए, शांति को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हमको ज़रूरत पड़ता है स्ट्रेंथ का. शांति का रास्ता स्ट्रेंथ से होते हुए जाता है. तो आपको पहली बात बगलामुखी माँ से प्रेयर्स के साथ साथ कुछ रिचुअल्स करने चाहिए जिससे कि कोई भी नेगेटिव एनर्जीज जो हो सकती है आपके लाइफ के आसपास वो आप तक ना पहुँचे, आप प्रोटेक्टेड रहो. तो यू कैन से दैट मैं लाइफ में प्रोटेक्टेड हूँ. इन माई लाइफ आई एम सराउंडेड बाय अ गोल्डन लाइट. You can imagine a golden light, over your body, which is protecting and shielding you from all negative energies. Okay, so this yellow light that is passing through you is going to be protecting you. Let me show you what is coming for you in terms of your blessings. आपकी लाइफ में क्या ब्लॉसम कर रहा है? Let's see what is blossoming in your life. I'll go deeper into all the messages. Let me take the cards first. वाओ, द एम्प्रेस. आपके लाइफ में अब अभी से आप देखोगे कि आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारा जो चीज़ें रुका हुआ था इतने सालों से वो सब चीज़ें ग्रो करेंगी. 3 आपके विशेस फुलफिल होंगे. ऐसे 3 विशेस के बारे में आप सोचें एंड देयर इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी फॉर मनी. तो पहली बात तो मॉनिटरीली अगर आपके पास कुछ इच्छाएं थी वो आपको फुलफिल होते हुए दिखेंगी. एंड यू विल, इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ बेबी, तो यू विल सी ग्रोथ इन दैट. यू कैन ऑल्सो बी हैविंग अ न्यू चाइल्ड. आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारा बिजनेस का एक्सपेंशन हो सकता है. आपका ब्यूटी ग्लो अप होगा. आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ों को फास्टर मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे. देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ अबंडेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ fruits and plants and new clothes. So you'll tap into the vibe of luxury. तो लग्जरी का जो वाइब है उसके साथ आप टैप इन करेंगे और ये आपको एक फुलफिलिंग रिलेशनशिप, एक फुलफिलिंग होम लाइफ, एक फुलफिलिंग लाइफ इन ओवरऑल सेंस आपको वो फील होगा. बिकॉज जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा मन में से खुश होते हो, व्हेन यू वेरी हैप्पी, एट दैट टाइम यू विल चीज़ों का वैल्यू आपके लिए बढ़ता है, राइट? अगर आपके पास बहुत पैसे हैं बट आप खुश नहीं हो, देन यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इवन आफ्टर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी आर नॉट हैप्पी एंड देन दे लिव अ वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लाइफ. बट देन you can also find some people who are very happy and very blessed, they feel even with having lesser resources. तो आपको कहा जा रहा है कि आप अपने रिसोर्सेज पे ध्यान दें, जो आपके पास ऑलरेडी है उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल फील करें एंड बी इन अ वेरी ग्रेटफुल attitude, because so much money is going to be coming to you. Lots and lots of money is coming because it's that pentacles energy, and pentacles energy speaks of new growth, whether you want to start with a new job, a promotion, or a new business that you want to start, न्यू फैमिली मेम्बर को लाना, आपके फैमिली लाइफ में ग्रोथ होना, आपके और आपके पार्टनर के बीच में अगर कुछ फाइट्स हो रही थी, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो रही थी, तो उसमें आपको रेजोल्यूशन देखने को मिलेगा. आपको इल्यूजन से हट के, इल्यूजन्स जो आपके माइंड में हो सकते थे उन सब चीज़ों से आप हट के जो चीज़ें क्लैरिटी है वो क्लैरिटी आपको मिलेगी. बिकॉज द 7 of Cups शोइंग मी दैट कुछ इल्यूजन्स हो सकता है, आप कुछ चीज़ों में भटक गए थे, या तो आप क्लियरली सोच नहीं पा रहे थे, या आपका माइंड जो है काफ़ी हैवी फील कर रहा था, तो उसमें से आपको राहत मिलेगा. अब मैं देख रही हूँ मून कार्ड से कि आपके लिए और क्या आ रहा है. Oh my god, see, the first card that has come is luck is on your side. Hold your vision. Again, a consistent message is coming. Hold your vision. Luck is on your side. इसके साथ साथ जो हमारे पास आया है द हाइरोफेंट, गॉड इज प्रोटेक्टिंग यू. गॉड का जो है अब ये जो टाइम चल रहा है ये एक बहुत ही पावरफुल टाइम है, राइट? बिकॉज इस टाइम में कॉस्मिकली अगर देखो आप, तो पूरा ब्रह्मांड में बहुत सारा चेंजेस हो रही है, जिसकी वजह से अलाइनमेंट ऐसे है प्लैनेट्स का, और उस अलाइनमेंट की वजह से आपको जो चीज़ें चाहिए वो चीज़ आप तक पहुंचना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पोटेंट टाइम चल रहा है. इसलिए आप अपने माइंड में उन्हीं थॉट्स पे फोकस करेंगे जो आपको चाहिए, रादर देन जो आपको नहीं चाहिए. आपको इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी के साथ डील करना होगा सिचुएशंस में. कुछ चीज़ें होंगी, कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको गॉड ने आपकी लाइफ से हो सकता है रिमूव किया है. जो लोग आपकी लाइफ में अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं है, वो लोगों को आप फिर से अपने लाइफ में वापस से मत बुलाइएगा. बिकॉज जब गॉड आपको जिस जिस चीज़ के लिए तैयार किया है अभी तक, वो एक बहुत पावरफुल प्लेस है. उस चीज़ के लिए आपके साथ कंटिन्यूसली गॉड का एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम चल रहा है, कंटिन्यूसली आपको प्रोटेक्ट किया जा रहा है, कंटिन्यूसली आपके साथ वो खुद चल रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से आप प्रोटेक्टेड हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटेक्टेड हो. तो ऐसे में आपका जो इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. क्योंकि देखिए, जब आपकी लाइफ में इतना सारा ग्रोथ आ रहा है ना, जब आपका इतना सारा मनी विल बी फ्लोइंग इन, लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस विल बी फ्लोइंग, तो आप उन लोगों को वापस से दोबारा अपने लाइफ में एंटरटेन बिल्कुल ना करें. क्योंकि आप अगर लकी हो तो उस चीज़ के लिए गॉड ने आपको वो सेटअप क्रिएट करके दे रहे हैं, जिससे कि आपकी लाइफ में वही लोग रहे जो आपके लिए, आपके हित में है, जो आपका सोल जर्नी के साथ अलाइनमेंट में है. हम सबका अपना अपना एक जो सोल जर्नी होता है, एंड वी हैव टू स्टे अलाइंड विद आवर सोल जर्नी. सो इफ़ you are thinking that those people had gone when it was your bad day and now your good days have started, so let me just entertain them again, then that will be very stupid of you. Don't do that, because God does not want you to entertain those people जिनको आपके लाइफ से हटाया गया है. हो सकता है वो कुछ फैमिली मेम्बर्स हो सकता है वो कुछ फ्रेंड्स हो, कुछ लोग हैं जिनको आपके लाइफ से हटाया है. वो लोगों को आपको दोबारा से एंटरटेन नहीं करना है, ठीक है? और आपका जो हैप्पीनेस है इट विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड, बिकॉज आपने बहुत कुछ पास्ट में सहा है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों से गो थ्रू किया है. आपने इतने सारी चीज़ों से गो थ्रू करने के पीछे रीज़न यही था क्योंकि गॉड चाहते थे कि आपका जो एंड्योरेंस लेवल रहे, आपका जो पेशेंस रहे, आपका जो स्ट्रेंथ रहे, वो बढ़ता जाए. क्योंकि जितना आप स्ट्रांगली चीज़ों को हैंडल करते हैं उतना ही आपका स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ता है, राइट? आपको किसी भी स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग में इट्स वेरी पेनफुल, तो वो स्ट्रेंथ बिल्डिंग के लिए आपको ये इन सब चीज़ों से you have been passed through that. Let me take one more card for you from the Monology deck and see what are so beautiful cards. इधर माँ बगलामुखी का एनर्जी आया है, King of Cups, Empress, Ace of Pentacles, beautiful energy. This is all coming for you in the full moon, and what you should release is also what I'm going to tell you. But I want to channel one more message from the Monology deck. One more message for my viewers who are watching this video right now. One more message for them. What is coming for them? Nothing is set on stone. nothing is set on stone. Okay, so if there has been certain things that you wanted to work on, अगर ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें रही हैं आपकी लाइफ में जो आप करना चाहते थे, maybe there are some projects that you wanted to work on, certain dreams that you wanted to do, but it did not happen. Okay, अगर ऐसा हुआ है कि वो सारी चीज़ें पहले अभी तक नहीं हुई हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये हो नहीं सकती है. You just have to make sure that you go for it and you do not give up on it. You have to keep striving for it. The more you will strive, you will see the success coming in for you. It might not be overnight, but it will definitely surely come. And which is why you've been asked that don't think that everything has been set. आपका जो लाइफ का करंट सिचुएशन है, इट्स स्टिल अ प्रोग्रेस मोड, एंड द विजन्स एंड द ड्रीम्स दैट हैड कम टू यू, जो आपके पास पहले आया था, ये एक रीज़न की वजह से आया था. तो हो सकता है आप कुछ स्टार्ट करने का सोच रहे हो. मे बी इट्स, इफ़ यूर अ डेंटिस्ट, मे बी यू वांट टू ओपन विद अ डेंटिस्ट का जो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, you want to open a setup for that. You are maybe working on it, maybe you are getting your interiors done, maybe you have shifted to a new place, you're getting the interiors done there. I hear something related to a structure that you are building, jahan se you are going to be living your best life. And if you have not been building it yet, then you are going to be building it very soon. So that is a very good positive message coming for you. Okay, I'm so happy for you. Yeah, and balance spirituality and practicality. So if you are someone, and communication is the key. So if you are someone who really believes in God, and if you really believe that what is meant for you will come your way, then you should, universe is also telling you that along with that thought process, you also have to make sure that you also take the required actions, because if you do not take the actions, then things will not just happen automatically, right? Say if you want to build a store, and if you want to start with a business, then you'll have to have a good business plan. If you have to want, if want money flowing to you from multiple directions, then you have to take the steps for those channels to open and for money to enter into your life. You also have to make certain steps. Now God is going to be blessing you, and you will be able to attract that very fast, but that does not mean that you can just expect it to just fall on your lap. That is not going to happen. If you want a relationship that you want, you always wanted, somebody who will understand you, somebody who is your divine partner, then you will have to go for it. Don't expect them to just come to you. That is not going to happen. They are not just going to come from nowhere and just be there with you, right? You'll have to make those efforts also. Now I'm going to tell you, if you have lost the faith in your dreams, if you have been thinking that from a very long time things have not been happening in your favor, and let's just leave it and it's not going to happen, then it's been asked that please hold on to your vision and keep believing in your dreams, because those things are definitely going to come to you. Now what should you release from your life? As the full moon is a perfect day for you to release. Okay, so if you have to release certain things, then what should it be? I'm going to be telling you that, and if you follow them, you're definitely going to reap some good benefits out of them. What are the things that my collective should release? Oh my god, see, 10 of swords. You have to release this. You know what it means? Say 6 of cups, 10 of swords. So in the past, ठीक है, in the past में, पहले आपको कुछ betrayals मिले थे. There were some people who betrayed you, who you had trusted, and they did not keep up to your trust level. There was relationship where you got hurt. There were different relationships where you got deeply hurt. It does not mean that it has to be a boy girl relationship or a man and a woman's relationship only. It could also mean family members. It could mean anything, right? So any relationship, or whether it's professional or personal, जहाँ पे you felt betrayed, where you were let down, और आपको फील हुआ कि आपको सपोर्ट नहीं किया गया पास्ट में, और उन पास्ट की जो मेमोरीज है, वो जो पेन है, उस पेन को आपको रिलीज़ करना है. और कैसे करोगे आप वो रिलीज़ करना काफ़ी आसान है. आपको क्या करना है? आपको करना है होपोपोनोपोनो मेथड. यू कैन गो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड सर्च ऑल्सो होपोपोनोपोनो मेथड. इट सेज, जो भी पर्सन आपको जिन्होंने हर्ट करा है, एनी पर्सन हु हैज़ हर्ट यू इन द पास्ट, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट टेल देम, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, आई लव यू, थैंक यू. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, I love you, thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. It's a very powerful way to bless them, forgive them. Now, while you're doing this to that person, you are also going to do it to yourself. Because when somebody betrays you, when somebody breaks your trust or hurts you, you are also hurting yourself. because what you're doing to yourself, to your own soul, is also not right. Sometimes you might feel that I feel so dirty that I trusted them. I feel so dirty and so bad that I put so much in that relationship. I had so much faith in them. My faith was broken and I was hurt, right? So your soul also needs to release that pain, and your soul also needs to be nurtured, because uh, for taking nurturing energy, you'll have to release all sorts of negative energies from yourself. And to release that negative energy from you, you'll have to cleanse your body. And to cleanse your body, you'll have to forgive yourself. You have to say, it's okay. I love you. Thank you. Please forgive me. Okay? Because your body is your vehicle on earth, and it has always supported you to live the life that you want to live. So you have to be very, very thankful to your own body, to your own mind, to your own self, and say thank you, for always being there. Thank you for your, the legs that you have, for always supporting you, your mind, your strength. Thank you for that. And you have to give yourself the love, because how can you expect someone else to give you love when you're not willing to give the love to yourself? How can you expect someone else to give you that respect if you don't want to respect yourself? So if you want to have a good relationship, you have to respect yourself. You have to love yourself. And when you set the standards for yourself, then the other person meets that standard. For that to happen, you'll have to do it first yourself. Okay, so that has been said, that first thing you have to release is your past memories that are related to heartbreak, betrayal, and where you were really let down. What else should you release? Let's just check. What else should my collective release? This is like so powerful. It's so like dope. I hear Three of Cups and the King of Swords and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so in the combination, if I see, what you need to release also is your expectations um, of what is your, not your expectations, others' expectations of you. You have to release that. If you think that you deserve to be treated in a certain way, for example, you want to have a party, okay, and you are really excited to have that party. Just think of like a birthday party. You think that you should have a birthday party like this, but others think that you should not. So release that. You've been asked that you should think very clearly and logically and understand that you deserve that. You deserve all the sorts of celebrations and happiness. So um, do not just go with whatever whoever has to say. You have to stand up for yourself. And don't need to, you have to also release the willingness to, protect yourself so much. Just do it for yourself. You don't have to think also. It should come just naturally to you. It should not be like you're working very hard for the celebration. It should just come very naturally. And don't let go of the expectations. So release the um, resistance for celebration. Okay, release the resistance for celebration. Don't hold on to celebrations, like matlab, don't keep postponing celebrations. Keep celebrating from your logical mind space. Think you deserve it, and then you should just go for it. Okay, so if you have been not thinking clearly, if you've been not thinking from your mind and you've been thinking from your heart, then you've been asked that stop your emotional thinking so much and see things for the way it is. If some people have been doing wrong and wanted to hurt you in the past, so release those pains and just make sure that you give yourself the celebration that you deserve. You do it for yourself. Okay, and one more card from the destiny cards. समझ में आया ना आप क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? आपको लेके अगर किसी और ने सोचा है कि आप डिज़र्व नहीं करते हो, तो आपको खुद को बिलीव करना होगा कि हाँ, आप डिज़र्व करते हो सेलिब्रेशन, और आप खुद को हर दिन सेलिब्रेट कीजिए. आप अपने लाइफ में जो चीज़ों को सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं, हर चीज़ को सेलिब्रेट कीजिए, ये बिना सोचे हुए कि कौन इसके बारे में क्या सोच रहा है. क्योंकि आपको गॉड ने ऐसे बनाया है जिससे आपको अंदर की तरफ ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए रादर देन बाहर. क्योंकि आप अगर बाहर की तरफ सोच के बस ये सोचते रहोगे कि हु इज थिंकिंग व्हाट अबाउट यू, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू लिव अ गुड लाइफ. It will not be possible for you. So it just should come naturally. You should be very comfortable with yourself in giving yourself the love and in giving yourself the um, respect and joy. See, healing chaos. So with the full moon, I see big chaos in your life is being healed, and you can see like from the chaos, the butterflies are coming out. Can you see that? This is a very powerful, beautiful message. and bottom of the deck is the blessings. Oh my god. And happiness. So happiness has come twice, if you see. Twice happiness is coming. So definitely happiness is growing in your life. Money is going to grow in your life. You should be more grateful and have a gratitude attitude. You should focus your celebrations with the blessings. Celebrate your blessings. Celebrate every small thing, like the flowers that you have. Get some new plants in your home. Celebrate them. Get new home decor. Take your own space. Do all of those things that you always wanted to do without feeling guilty about anything. Because you know what? You're not harming anybody. If you take step to protect your own self and love your own self, that does not mean that you are doing bad to anyone else, right? So you don't have to worry about who is taking as what. That is none of your business. That's God's thing to see. Okay? And God wants me to give this message to you, because see, the happiness card is coming with like tarot also, and from the cards also, blessings. Happiness has come twice. See, so like the dolphins, feel that freedom, feel free, feel happy, feel joyful, and be willing to celebrate life, laugh more, be happy more. Okay, so these are messages for you, and it's really really very important for you to understand how strongly God and his energy is present. And with Baglamukhi, how strongly you are being protected. Can you see this fierce picture of Ma Baglamukhi? So fierce, so fiercely you've been protected by the divine masculine and the divine feminine in power form. And who is the जननी of all, you know, महाकाली का एनर्जी है ये, ठीक है? तो महाकाली आपको प्रोटेक्ट करे, द डिवाइन मदर ऑफ ऑल, शी इज़ प्रोटेक्टिंग यू. तो और आपको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए? खुश रहिए और बी फील वेरी ब्लेस्ड, एंड just focus all your energy on growth and on celebration on happiness, and just let go of everything that hurt you in the past and anyone else's expectation of how your life should be. You should have the life that you desire, and you deserve it. So when you deserve it, you have to make yourself a priority. If you don't make yourself the priority, then it will be difficult for you to attract the kind of relationships you want to attract, or have the life that you want to live. Because for that, you have to feel that you are lucky, you know, luck is on your side. I hope you like the video. Lots of love to you. Bye. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and do share it with some of your friends who think also need to listen to a positive message that will elevate them. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.